In lesson 19 we did the hip. What we haven't yet modeled is the dome, roof, sort of this mansard-like structure over the very top. In profile, the south and north elevations give us a drawing of that. There's the west drawing, which I'm going to move to along the red axis to align with that face, and then I'm going to take the west elevation drawing and move it to any point on the drawing. Make sure you click to a point on the drawing. Need the red axis, so there's the red axis, lock it in place. Alright. Let's save this as lesson 20. Last roof, right? So the rooftops are going to inflect to a center point. If we look at the images, took a picture looking straight up at the roof. Something of a box, right? And then the endpoints of the tower converge to that box. So how are we going to model that? First, let's try to draw the box if we can. Box is likely going to be the intersection of lines that extend across the tops of these profiles. I'm going to snap, constrain my drawing with the green axis there. So, see how I've chosen those endpoints. Now, that kind of reveals a box. This may not be coplanar. Right. So that could represent the openings, the opening to which those endpoints converge. Consider this. Let's save this scene. Rename it. Isometric roof work. And if I hide the AutoCAD, including that, what have I got left? I've got some lines that I don't need, so I'm going to delete. That's the opening at the top. Now consider this. If I were to take endpoint to there, endpoint to there, endpoint to the vertices of what we think that opening is. The resulting geometry is pretty much the outline of that roof, right? Faces weren't formed because I haven't completed these guys. So see what I'm doing now? Drawing the faces. Why not? Endpoint. Oops. So it may be that square is not uniformly okay, so we somehow got SketchUp has a way of creating a plane from all this. But basically, that's the shape of the roof that wants to be. Then we have to deal with the problem of the void created therein. Maybe what we'll do is save this out in the next lesson. We'll more carefully draw that plane, because if it's not your front, right, back, left, if it's not perfectly level, we aren't going to be able to generate these faces. We've got 1, 2, 3 of them, and we could also basically just copy these around or rotate, create a rotated array around these. I want to spend a lot of time on this because in interior design, hip, complex shaped roofs are not part of what you're expected to know, but this is how I would go about it.